Mix grout to a peanut butter consistency for a kitchen tile floor to ensure easy application and a durable finish. Start by pouring the grout powder into a clean mixing bucket, rather than adding water to the powder. This prevents clumping and makes mixing consistent. Add water slowly in small increments while stirring, aiming for a texture that holds its shape but still spreads, similar to peanut butter, which allows the grout to stay in the joints without slumping. Use a drill with a paddle mixer on low speed to blend for about 2 to 3 minutes until smooth, watching for dry pockets at the bottom and sides and scraping them into the mix. Let the mixture rest for 5 minutes for slaking, which hydrates cement particles and improves workability, then remix briefly for 30 to 60 seconds before applying. If using a premixed polymer fortified grout, follow manufacturer hydration guidance, which can be slightly wetter, and always test a small amount in a sample joint to confirm texture. Wear a proper respirator and gloves when handling grout powder to avoid inhalation and skin irritation, and set the bucket on a stable surface to prevent accidental spills. Common mistakes include mixing too wet, which causes shrinkage and weak joints, so keep adding water in small amounts and test the consistency on a trowel. If it spreads thin like soup, start over or thicken with small powder additions. Mixing only by hand can leave lumps and undermixed pockets, so use a drill mixer on low speed and scrape the bucket sides to fully homogenize the batch. Skipping the 5-minute rest or slake step often yields a grainy, less workable mix, so always let the grout sit for 5 minutes and then remix briefly before use. BigHomeProjects.com is a site where we help homeowners connect with local contractors for projects like kitchen, tile, flooring, and grout work. We also provide a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find work through homeowner leads.